BT YouView boxes getting stuck on loading screens is one of the most frustrating issues customers face, especially after performing a factory reset to fix other problems. This issue particularly affects older BT YouView devices, including the popular Humax DTR-T2100 and DTR-T4000 models, though newer devices can also experience these problems. The loading problems typically stem from three main causes: network connectivity issues, corrupted system files, or hardware degradation in older units. To understand why these loading issues occur, it helps to know the four-stage boot process that every YouView box follows when starting up. When your YouView box gets stuck on loading, start with these simple troubleshooting steps. First, perform a power cycle by unplugging the device for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Next, check your Ethernet connection to ensure it's properly connected and your broadband is working. A stable network connection is crucial for the YouView service to function properly. Finally, be patient and allow up to 45 minutes for the initial setup to complete. The YouView box needs time to download channel data and electronic program guide information from BT's servers. These simple steps resolve the loading issue in many cases, getting you back to enjoying your favorite shows. If these initial troubleshooting steps don't work, more advanced recovery methods may be needed. When basic troubleshooting methods fail to resolve your BT YouView loading issues, it's time to move to advanced recovery techniques. These methods require more time and patience, but can often restore your device to working condition. The first step in advanced recovery is accessing your YouView box's recovery mode. This special diagnostic mode allows you to perform deeper system repairs and resets. The factory reset option is the most comprehensive recovery method. It completely wipes your device's settings and reinstalls the system software. You can choose to keep your recordings, but be prepared for a lengthy process that can take 2 to 3 hours to complete. If your loading issues are network-related, try the Network Settings Reset option. This clears all network configurations and allows you to manually reconfigure your broadband connection with optimized settings. Understanding your YouView box's hardware lifecycle is crucial for making informed decisions about repair versus replacement. Most BT YouView boxes have an operational lifespan of 5 to 7 years, with devices installed before 2018 increasingly experiencing hardware-related failures. BT is actively migrating customers from traditional YouView boxes to newer streaming solutions and BT TV Pro boxes. This transition reflects the industry-wide movement toward internet-based television services and cloud-based recording solutions. If loading issues persist after 24 hours or multiple recovery attempts fail, it's time to seek professional help. Contact BT support for advanced diagnostics, firmware recovery services, or to explore upgrade options to newer equipment.